Fire it up. I can climb it.
So next year, Daddy, you won't have to encourage me.
Pretty girl.
So you won't have to encourage me at all next year. I would just go get the tree.
Hey.
Nope.
That's a cute little wagon.
Holds puke and babies and
So
everything.
next year
You
I
can whole
will
thing.
pull it and turn it over and all sorts of stuff.
Carry my baby dolls in.
Dead squirrels.
Almost.
I almost
Avery.
bought a baby
Hey.
doll. I said, no,
Avery.
I'm sure she'll get, you know.
Baby.
Okay.
Surfing
Are y'all ready? Oh, you got to get your camera.
the...
She's gonna move so loud.
He's okay.
Woo! Say, oh, there's a camera. Should I pose?
Oh.
Hey.
Should I pose?
Hey. Avery.
Look at that tree.
Say, no, we got to turn it around.
You okay? This is a dumb idea.
Hey, Pumpkin.
Oh.
Hey.
I don't know why the hell this thing won't take it when I want it to take it.
Hey, Pumpkin. There we go, Joshua.
I'm videoing her.
Oh, she's gonna tip.
Oh, oh.
Oh.
Oh, it almost went forward too.
What's going on?
Head plant.
Got it?
Yay! Hey, Pumpkin.
She's like, all right, okay. It's enough of this.
Okay, enough of the
That's a
wagon.
little
Tell
wedge
them.
down there.
Yeah. Little suction.
That Trixie was right. Get it like
I just threw some.
Just wash it away.
You got on you.
Everything's washed.
Down the